Welcome. Today in the Earth Eats Kitchen, we are going to make very good dip.
Very good dip.
Yeah.
Ah, that sounds very good,
It
Heather.
is very good.
Yeah.
You'll really like it, and it's really simple. And I'm using a tiny little kitchen appliance called a mini food processor.
Oh yeah, we used the big one
We
time.
did,
Yeah.
we did. This is for smaller things, smaller items. I use this a lot for making small batches of like salsa or little things. It's easy, really easy, and you'll like it. It's not quite as loud.
Oh, good, very good.
Very good. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to throw some strawberries in here.
Oh yeah, I love strawberries.
They're really, really good. And we're not going to puree them. We're just going to chop them up into little bites.
Yeah, that's good. I like little bites.
Me too.
What is it going to do to them?
Well, it's going to be kind of like a strawberry hurricane in there.
Oh, hurricane.
That's it.
Oh.
Okay. And then I'm going to put in just a little bit of sugar.
Okay.
Not very much. We don't need that much.
Not too much.
No.
You get too crazy.
And then to this, I'm going to add a little bit of sour cream.
Okay.
You could even use Greek yogurt. And then to this, I'm going to add some soft cream cheese.
Oh, okay.
Really easy.
Yeah, that looks really easy.
And that's all there is to it. I'm going to put the lid back on.
Okay.
And spin it around again.
Yeah. That was fast, Heather.
It is fast.
Yeah. Oh, okay. I'm not scared. Nah, not anymore. Look at that. It's pink.
And sometimes if your cream cheese sticks a little bit, you might have to take off the lid and knock it back down.
Oh, okay.
It's a little resistant.
Good thinking.
Yeah. There you go. Right where you can see it.
I'm going to watch.
That's
Look
it.
at that.
Yeah.
Wow.
So I'm going to put some right here in this bowl just for you.
For me?
Just for you.
Oh, Heather, you are so sweet. Like sugar.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
So this is really good with some different things dipped in it, like pretzels or little shortbread cookies.
Yeah.
But it's also really good put on a bagel or a piece of toast in the morning.
That does sound good. Like for breakfast.
For breakfast.
Yeah.
It's very pretty, I think.
Yeah.
And it's healthy.
Yeah. Look at that.
And that's it. That's all there is to it. Super easy.